Hello and welcome everyone. My name is Rich Guzman and today I have a brand new video for you tonight. We have a brand new funnel launch called Lead Lightning 2.0. Now, if you guys are watching this video for the first time, be sure to like and subscribe. And very important, guys, leave a comment below. Let me know what you think about the videos that we've been actually putting out. We've been getting a lot of attention, and I just want to thank every single one of you who have been engaging with us. Now, here's the thing, guys. This is a brand new funnel that just launched, Lead Lightning 2.0. What is Lead Lightning? Now, Lead Lightning came on the scene, the original one, about a little over 10 years ago. And let me tell you something. This funnel has done phenomenal in the business with online marketing. Now, I remember Todd Gross, he was the one that actually recorded the first video for Lead Lightning 1.0, I should say. And but this brand new Lead Lightning is based around David AI, and it's changing the game when it comes to building your business online, right? It's following up with text messaging, it's following up with emails, and it's just changing the game for a lot of people, including ourselves. It's actually giving us a lot of free time back, right? So I want you guys to really understand that this funnel is going to change a lot of people's lives, and I don't want you guys to be, get left behind. So right now I'm going to go to my share screen. I want you guys to look at this funnel. It is amazing, and it is literally converting like gangbusters. So let me go over to my share screen. There we go. Let me just put that right there. So as you can see, guys, we're in the back office of PLS once more. And we're going to go over to the Fast Start. So if you watched our previous videos, we talked about the Fast Start training. But we're going to go back to the step of where it says Connect Website. Now, over here, all you have to do is click on funnel number 1, Lead Lightning. Okay, so we're going to click on that. And then all we have to do is just click on the link. And just like that, you're going to see the funnel in action. Now, let me actually put my email in there. Okay, and I'm just going to go right to it. Let me just put the bot checker there. And we're going to submit. Let's take a look at this sales page. Okay, it says, congratulations, your $7 AI system has been approved. What is going on here? I love it. Yes, let me in. And there you go. Brand new David AI Lead Lightning 2.0 funnel. This is changing the game in the industry. People are making sales who've never made sales before. But let's scroll down and take a look here. Oh, wow, $7. That's it. Nice. All right. Oh, this is good. This is awesome. Great testimonials. That's what you want in a decent funnel, right? So this is great, guys. So, there's a lot of great information on this page, but the most important thing that I look at is the testimonials, the information, more importantly, the video and things like that. So why is this important for you if you're watching this video? Well, because if you don't know how to create a funnel, you don't know how to make sales online, all you have to do is take advantage of the funnel that we actually have within the system of Power Lead System, okay? Now, this is going to do the selling, the telling, and explaining for you, also with AI, text messaging, email follow-up, and the list goes on and on. So you don't have to worry about figuring out those tech things or those skill sets on how to make money. This is going to help you do that with technology that actually works and, more importantly, has been tested, and it is converting like gangbusters, okay? So guys, I'm going to leave this link below this video where you guys can opt in, check it out for yourselves, come on into the team, join the family, and guess what? We can start making some sales, right? So let me go over back to the face cam here on my video. And that's it, guys. That's the Lead Lightning 2.0 funnel. I'm super excited about it. Like I said, it's changing the game. It's literally changing people's lives. People are making sales, they're making upgrades. And let me tell you something. Now you can have a funnel that's very profitable for your business. And if you don't have a business, this is a great way to start building your first primary business, all right? So with that being said, guys, my name is Rich Guzman. Again, be sure to click the link below and get access to this funnel, and you will be glad that you did. Take care, and I'll see you on the next video.